Hey, welcome aboard. You just joined the Conversion Pros on a trial, and we're excited to have you. I'm one of the owners, and I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what you got yourself into. Basically, there's two different types of people that join the Conversion Pros. The first person is somebody that is already in a home-based business that is looking to have more success. You need more leads, you want to double your downline, you want more signups, you want to sell more product, or maybe you're in an affiliate deal like a ClickBank deal or a JVZoo deal. And we also have your non-home-based business. We get a lot of restaurants and lawyers and dentists and all these kind of things that want to build a mailing list or a text list that they could text on demand or mail on demand. Okay? Now, we've been around for now about 2 years. We're in over 49 different countries, and we have basically the who's who of all these businesses. Lots and lots of top earners, and we have a lot of people that got started with us that's never made money in their life, and now they're on the leaderboard because of us, because we offer the hottest tool set. Okay, what we don't give you is what your company does. Your company website and a company capture page that's super lame. The ad copy is extremely weak. And a lot of people struggle. That's why 99% of the people fail to make money in those deals. Well, we teach you how to build very hot funnels that convert. We give you access to leads that have actually answered an ad saying, show me a home-based business right now. I'm ready to join. So imagine that. We offer men and women leads. We offer women-only leads. And we even offer weight loss leads. Now, we have about every single company you can name, from water deals to Bitcoins deals to travel to makeup to skincare. You name it, they're using the Conversion Pros. And we have so many testimonials and so many success stories of people that didn't know how to market. And one of the benefits of the Conversion Pros is not only do we give you the tools, but we train you on how to go out there and generate tons of leads, how to build funnels the right way. Everything is step by step. There's no technical skills at all. Literally, if you follow the videos, it's step by step. A lot of times it's only one click of your mouse, so it's not complicated. A lot of systems out there are complicated. The other thing that we have is we never try to upsell you. A lot of companies, you get involved, they don't even include an autoresponder. Well, we do. We give you one. They try to upsell you and say you need a VIP package or you need to spend more money and things like that. Well, we don't do that to you. We don't try to dive in your pockets. We don't try to insult your intelligence. Once you're a member of us, we give you all the tools. Now, these tools sold separately, it would easily run you $150 to $200 a month. Okay, so after you get upgraded in 7 days, it's only $50, $1.61 a day. It's less than a Diet Coke. 2 referrals and yours is free. Doesn't get any easier than that. Now let me talk about the second type of person. The second type of person is either a person that's looking for a business right now or is in a business that doesn't mind making extra money. Well, you got to realize that we're in over 49 countries and every single company uses us. So we have Forex and Bitcoin and water and weight loss and this and that. So every one of those deals that are out there, you see a million of them posted on Facebook alone. Every one of those people, 9 out of 10 suffer. They're not very good at recruiting. They don't know how to sell their products. 9 out of 10 fail. Why? Because they're using the stuff the company gave them that everybody in the company's using, and they don't have any edge. They don't really know how to build a funnel that really does the telling, selling, explaining, and really get the sales and signups that they need. Well, so when people see that our offer and they see the tools that we have, they want it. And basically how tools work, it's kind of like this. You can go to the gym to lose weight. You can get on a treadmill, and that's great. But if you went and bought a fat burner, you're going to get there faster than the treadmill alone. Well, if all these people in these network marketing deals that want to live the extreme lifestyle, okay, that the top earners live, well, all the top earners they're using our tools, they're using our leads, they're using funnels that isn't given to them by the company. So think about that for a minute. The world's basically your oyster. We're in over 49 different countries right now, and you have the solution for everybody that doesn't want to fail, that wants leads and pages. So we give landing pages and funnel pages and video pages and webinar replay tools and QR codes and blogging. We basically give a tool set that literally would run them $150, $200 a month for less than a Diet Coke a day. And that's why we have so many people coming on board. But here's the secret. We give it away for free. So for 7 days, we give it away for free. There's no cost whatsoever. We don't even ask for your credit card. And we have so many people that love us, and once they dive in, they watch our trainings, they start playing with the tools, they're like, this is unbelievable for the price. I can't believe it. I have to have it. And so let me give you an example here. We have people that see this and say, oh my gosh, I can't believe how easy this is to give away. And I want you to think about something. You just did it. So if you're watching this video, you just took a free trial, so you prove that it already works. I mean, Don't tell me I can't prove it, because you did it. You took a free trial. So how hard was it? You said, well, it's free, no big deal, I'll try it out. And everybody does that. It basically, no one says no. So it's very easy to give this away multiple times a day. So let's say 7-day week. You give it away 20 times a day for free. And let's say 50 of them decided to upgrade. Well, guess what? Those 50, you'd end up making $1,250 to go out and give away a system that, 1, saves people money, 2, helps them have massive success, 3, doesn't even ask for a credit card. It was free to join. It was the easiest thing you've ever did. And so we have people out there that are making, over 5 figures a month residual every single month, because we pay every Friday, and as long as people keep the system, you're getting paid month after month after month. Now, if you just want to use the system for your business, if you're that first person, well, obviously you want to get yours for free, so you want to refer it at least 2 times. And if you refer it for 2 times, you're actually in for free. You'd be paying 50, you'd be making 50, so it's a wash, right? Also, it's a tax deduction, so at the end of the year, you can write it off as well, so it's not a big deal. But let's take you to the next steps. Okay, you joined for free. What do we do now? Well, in your back office, we have quick start videos, fast start videos that are going to teach you how to use the tools. They're all step by step. So you want to watch those. We have boot camp trainings that will take you to the next level as far as marketing. If you want to get in, make sure you watch our boot camps. They're under the webinar section. We have tons of training, and then we have a live Facebook group that is a support group that you can go in and ask questions. I'm in that group. I'm one of the owners. I'm in that group all day, every day, nights, weekends. I'm always helping people get their questions answered, have success. I tweak funnels. I do it all. And so you have access to me right there in that group. It's live, so make sure you plug into that group. So if you're watching this, congratulations for taking the first steps on taking a trial with the Conversion Pros. We know that you're going to be blown away. Why do we give it away for free? Why don't we ask for your credit card? Because we have, if you haven't watched it yet, go watch our testimonial video. You'll see people from all walks of life all over the world that love us, and we have so many testimonials that come in. I can't tell you how many people take a trial. They don't even know what they did. They took a trial, and then they start to dive in, and they're like, I can't believe the value of this system. And again, we do no upsells. We don't get in your pocket. We don't try to convince you to spend more money. And people are sick of that, and they love that. And when they see that, they're like, I can't believe the value you give. I have to have this system. And that's why we give it away for free, because we have a 2-year track record of people falling in love with what they get. The value that we give is so huge. We have no problem, because once people see it, they have to have it. And again, you already proved it works because you already took a free trial. So don't you think, if you go out and tell people, how would you like to double your downline or quadruple your downline, or would you like to make more sales, or would you like to make more money, and can you afford free? We don't get anybody that says, no, I can't afford free. Everybody can afford free. So this model works absolutely. So get in the back office, jump in the Facebook. I can't wait to talk to you, welcome you aboard, and help you out. And so we'll see you in the Facebook group, or if you have any questions, you can reach me.